Now, the tourism industry in the Northwest is taking a new shape with the introduction and the official launch of the Taung Hotel School. Not only is the province targeting training, but they're also working towards exposing the rural Taung to the world. Now, Taung has a vast tourism attraction, which is not only the world's renowned Taung skull site, but also the dam and limestone waterfall that's available there. The waterfall, which is also known as tufa, was formed through the movement of glaciers during the Ice Age over millions of years ago.
This limestone waterfall is called Small Heaven. It is a phenomenon which is found at only 3 sites throughout southern Africa. Nearby this miraculous limestone, where water flows from these rocks throughout the year, is the Taung skull site.
Strategically, this area is placed within the route that Cape to Cairo. You pass here when you go to Cairo, pass there from Cape Town. It's an advantage that we need to explore.
Except the African countries, Seychelles and China have also shown interest to send their students here.
We do have a cooperation relationship with a lot of international institutions and organizations. The Hotel and Tourism Schools Association of Africa is one of which we are a member, and this association comprises of all African countries that have hotel schools.
A commitment of more than 200 million rand has been set aside to develop this area into a tourism powerhouse.
To us, a Taung Dam is a tourism attraction. We want to take people to Taung Dam and see the beauty in the dam. We also have the Taung skull. You'd remember that there's a child of Taung, and it was taken to Joburg to visit. Now we are saying at the Northwest government, we don't want a replica. We want our skull that will attract tourists.
The demand for students to study here is already overwhelming, both locally and from the SADC countries.
My name is Tato Halenyane from Vryburg. It is my first year here at Taung Hotel School. I'm here to do professional cookery because that's what I love, and this is what South Africa is looking up for.
I come from a small village called Kibitswan here in Taung. Yeah, I chose this hospitality industry because it is not recognized in South Africa as a nation, and I want to change that because hospitality has many opportunities.
The Spanish government has met with the provincial government with an interest to use this vast virgin land for hunting. The infrastructure here will house an administration block, lecturers' offices and blocks, student residence, an auditorium, canteen, library and reading rooms. Kabelo Molope, SABC News, Taung.